Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Seneo 3-in-1 wireless charger pad. And let's get into it. So recently I just bought this thing because my current Apple Watch charger, I love this thing. And everything here will be in the link in the description below. And my Apple Watch fits perfectly in here when it's on a regular band, but I bought a bulkier band to protect it and it doesn't fit in here. So I had to buy something else that can take my AirPods Pro, my phone, something that could be one thing instead of all these scattered devices on my desk. So bought this. Here we go, and unbox this thing if I can. Holy hell. Papers, nope. And I'm a small YouTuber with a goal of reaching 100 subscribers. That's how you know I'm small, when I'm like, yo, I need to reach 100 subscribers. Okay, so this is the charging dock plate. Oh, on the flip side. Coil up your wires like a snake in here. Type-C charger, wire, no power brick, but that's what it looks like. And, I just need something compact on my desk because my desk is small. I'm not trying to have all these devices sitting on my desk. I'm trying to keep it as minimal as possible in 2020. So let's try to install this. So I'm guessing this goes, your Apple Watch wire will go in here. You string it through like a professional stringer. And then you string it through here. Let's take this back out first. And like I said, don't forget to comment if you have something else that's better than this, Like and subscribe to my channel to help me reach 100 subscribers. Type-C. My other wireless charger, I use my AirPods on and my phone on. So sometimes I have to alternate, depends on which one has more battery life. But now I don't have to. Plug this thing in here. Bang. Apple Watch. Let's throw you on there and see how well you do. Click you, close you. Oh yeah, the wire. I'm gonna just use this power thing right here. Portable power device. We have power. We have more power. Power to the YouTubers. And what else am I missing? Oh, my phone, which I'm using to record right now because it's much easier than using this right now. But in the future, I'll be using that in different videos, alternate. But that's it. That's the unboxing of this thing, and it works, as you can see, and it'll take up less space on my desk. Okay, don't do that. Especially if you don't have a case, you want to scratch your AirPod case up. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of these videos, which will be a lot more because I order so many things at Amazon. It's nuts. They should just sponsor me already. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. This is Low Key Fanatic, and I'm out.